Hello students, we are going to start acid, bases and salt chapter 2 of NCERT. Okay. Now here acid, base and salt we must understand individually. What is an acid? It is sour in taste and it changes what? Blue litmus red. Base is what? It is bitter in taste, changes red litmus to blue. When I am talking about the salt, I have written here depends. Why? Because salts can be an acidic salt or a basic salt, okay, or a neutral salt. Okay, so it depends. So taste will depend whether it is slightly sour, slightly bitter or salty in nature. Okay, now when we are talking about this changing of the litmus paper color, so here it also depends. If it is acidic, it will change blue to red. If it is basic salt, it will change red to blue. If it is a neutral salt, the litmus paper color will not change. Okay. Next topic is what? Acid base indicators. So when I am talking about indicators, what are these indicators? It says whether the substance is acidic or basic in nature. Okay. So these indicators are of two types, natural indicators and synthetic indicators. When we are talking about natural indicators, we talk about litmus first. What is this litmus? From where it is extracted? It is extracted from lichens. So what are these lichens? They are symbiotic relationship between what? Algae and fungi. And that forms what? Lichen. From lichen, this litmus is extracted, and here you will see that these lichens, the litmus which is extracted, natural color, it's what? Its neutral color is what? Purple. Okay. Now this litmus can be used, okay, to identify some of the things. Okay. So and other natural indicators are also there, like what? Red cabbage juice. When red cabbage juice, if acid, it is when acidic substances are there, and if we drop that red cabbage juice in that, what will happen? It will change what? Deep red in color. Okay. And when this cabbage juice, if base is there, what will happen? It will show what? When it is a weak base, it will show green color. When it is a strong base, it will show yellow color. So this also is a what? Natural indicator. Blackberries, these are also the blackberry juice, we'll say, okay, is also what? A natural indicator. Okay. What happens if acid is added to it? It will change red in color. If base is there, is added, then what will happen? It will change what? Dark blue or violet in color. Like that, petunia petals. These are also indicators of what? Natural indicators of what? Acid and base. If it changes what? If acid is there, it changes reddish purple in color, and if base is there, then what it will change? It will change violet in color. Yes, now coming to olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators means what? Smell. By the smell we can make out whether it is a acid or a base. Okay, so first is the onion extract, second is the vanilla extract, which are what? The olfactory indicators. Okay, so for onion, how will you take out? Take the onion extract in a piece of cloth, okay, add acid to it. You will see that the smell of onion doesn't go. But when you are adding what? Base to this onion extract which is added in the cloth, you will see that its smell goes off. And this indicates that whether it is a acid or a base. Like that, vanilla extract also. Take the vanilla, add it in a small piece of cloth, okay, add acid to it. You will get the strong smell of vanilla. But when you will add base to it and then wash it with water, now no smell of vanilla it will come. So it says that whether it is a acid or a base. Okay. Next is what? Synthetic indicators. Under synthetic indicators, you are studying methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Okay, the color of methyl orange is what? Orange color, isn't it? And phenolphthalein, it is colorless in color. Okay, so when we are adding what? Acid to methyl orange, it changes red in color. Okay, and when we are adding base to methyl orange, it changes yellow in color. Okay, regarding phenolphthalein, when we add acid to the colorless phenolphthalein, the color will remain colorless in nature. But when we are adding base to phenolphthalein, it will change pink in color. Okay. So now let us sum up the acid and the base, how they show the indicators, how they behave with the indicators. Like the first point of acid is, it changes what? Blue litmus to red in color. Litmus paper, if you are adding in the acid, okay, what will happen? It will change what? Blue to red. When you are taking base, it will change, the red litmus paper will change to blue in color. Okay, now regarding methyl orange, I said to you what will happen when acid is added to methyl orange, it changes red in color, and when base is added to methyl orange, it changes to yellow in color. Okay, regarding phenolphthalein, phenolphthalein is colorless in nature. When we are adding acid to phenolphthalein, no change in color because it remains colorless only. Okay, but with base it changes pink in color. Okay, now in acid no reaction with the red litmus solution. Okay, and there no reaction with what, the blue litmus solution. Okay, because here what happens, it changes what, red to blue, and here in acid it changes from what, blue to red, and here it changes what, red to blue. Okay, so this is all for today. Okay, take care, good day.